We're here for the Founders Day Fest. It's really fun.
Yeah, we've got ice cream, we've got food, we've got music.
Even though it's boring, the community is still out celebrating, so that's great.
It's a blessing show.
For me, it means the campus community coming together. Like you have alumni, current students, staff, family.
It's also nice to interact with the school and get to know other people.
And connect.
There were some really cool performances as well, some dance groups.
We're like a celebration of mercy. That's how it's a celebration of mercy.